So, welcome everybody. This will be the first session of the Unity Study Jam. We'll be covering the installation and setup of the game engine in this session. So, go to Google, search Unity, and then download the Unity Hub. That will be the first step. So, if you are in Windows, download the .exe file. If you are in Mac, download the .dmg file. Once that is done, basically go to your downloads folder, open up the Unity Hub setup. Wizard will show up. Choose the path where you want to install the Unity Hub, then start installing. Once that's done, click on finish. Next, since you don't have a Unity account, click on create an account. If you have, just go on with the sign in. So we'll be needing the email, a full name, a unique username, and a password. This is our own cluster's email address. If you have any doubts, by the way, you can send your doubt in this mail. So that's the username that we have chosen, and just give a strong password here. Make sure all the requirements are fulfilled, and give your full name. Click on I'm not a robot, and all just the usual procedure basically. So now you'll get a Unity ID. So right. So basically you have to, this is an important step, you have to confirm your email address. So you will receive an email, receive a link in that. So now you need to verify basically your email address. Click on verify. We'll be having a captcha here. You have to solve some puzzles, basically the usual stuff. Verify, verify, and it should be done. Yep. So basically after that, use your email ID and password and go to sign in again. Now don't sign in from there on. Okay, you can sign in from there on, but it's better if you go to Unity Hub again and then sign in. Basically, it will sign into your Unity Hub in your desktop also. So yeah, go sign in. Put in your email and your password, whatever password you used. Just sign in. So it should redirect to the Unity Hub. Open Unity Hub. If you're using Chrome, it will come up as a pop-up, and it will automatically sign in. Right. So yeah, just click got it. Now this is a part where basically you'll be installing the Unity editor. So what you did just now is installing the Unity Hub. This is where you will be storing all of your projects. This is basically your dashboard of Unity. You will have all the like editors that you have downloaded of various versions, like whatever projects you have opened using different Unity versions. That will you'll get to see all of that in this place in Unity Hub. We'll be installing the Unity editor. The editor means the actual place where you will be creating the projects, building the games. So the latest version as of now is this thing, the 2022.3, and choose a location. And you are pretty sure you can see on the screen that it's a very big file. So have some patience. It will take a good amount of time to download, right? So try having a faster Wi-Fi or something, or not. Just give it some time. Over time it will download. Okay, so yeah, install the Unity editor, and it will take some time. Have some patience. It will take a good amount of time in that sense. So yeah, one eternity later, and you have it. The ITER application documentation and the WebGL build support. So basically, you need an active license to actually start a project. So basically, go to your preferences and click on add licenses, activate, and get a free personal license request. So I agree and personal additional license. By the way, Unity is free for personal licenses and for students. So you need a license basically, which will be free. You have to apply for it and get the license ID. Agree and get personal edition license. Yes, now you basically will get try refreshing like 1 or 2 times basically. It may or may not show up sometimes. So yeah, that's basically it. Once you have the license, start tinkering around the Unity Hub, start creating your projects, and we'll see you in the next session. Thank you.